Welcome to Tecmark 635. This is a short guide to getting started with the tool and how to run a session resulting in 108 creative ideas in 30 minutes or less. The first step is to create an account. Once you've done so, each time you log in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. This contains a basic overview of Brainwriting as an idea generation process, as well as navigational options such as the ability to see your projects and details of your account. To use the tool for idea generation, you need to start by creating a new project. The basic information associated with a project is the project name. This can be as descriptive as you like. It will be used for storage of the output for future reference, and also seen by the participants of the session in their invitation to join. The category or sector, which is an optional field but can be useful for providing information to the session members. And the brief, the most important element, where you will describe in as much detail as possible what the session is about and what you're hoping to achieve through it. Here you should give as much detail as possible to ensure you get the most valuable output. On this page you can also customize the format of a session if you wish. A standard brainwriting session is 6 people and 6 rounds of 5 minutes. However, we have added flexibility on each of these variables. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to use the standard format. Once you're happy with your brief, you need to save it. You will then get a further chance to review before you move on to the next step of inviting participants. At the invitation stage, you need to add the email addresses of the people you want to involve in your brainwriting session. If they have participated in one of your sessions before, their email address will appear to the right of the box. But if this is the first time, you'll need to type it in. You need to add the right amount of participants based on the amount you selected in the settings section, -1 for yourself. You can review and amend the invitation email they'll receive, and once you're happy with it, send the invitation. Once your invitations are sent, it is time to start the session. This is the main brainwriting screen, where you see the participants down the right-hand side and a number of controls. Every participant, including the leader, must confirm they've read and understood the brief for the session to start. The participants will be marked in red with a tick next to their name once they've read and accepted the brief. There is a chat functionality which can be used during the session. The chat window can be hidden and unhidden using the buttons. Once all participants have read and accepted the brief, the leader must click the Start button for the session to begin. In round 1, everyone is presented with the brief again, and has to come up with their first 3 ideas. At the start of each round, we will allow 15 seconds to reread the brief, or review previous ideas. After that, the round time starts to count down. You must submit an idea once you have settled on it, but can still go back and edit them whilst the clock is ticking. Once you're happy with all 3 ideas, submit them and wait for the other participants to do the same. The session leader can see who has submitted ideas and how many, enabling them to run the session. Here we can see everyone has submitted 3 ideas, but we still have over 4 minutes remaining on the time. As the leader, I can choose to move on to the next round rather than wait for the full round time to end. In round 2, you're presented by the brief again, alongside another participant's first 3 ideas. The purpose of this is to give you further inspiration. Again, you're given 15 seconds reading time before the round starts properly. In each subsequent round, you're then presented with a different participant's first round ideas and another participant's second round ideas, and so on, adding further inspiration to the creative process. This then continues for the allotted amount of rounds. In the final round, as the leader, once you choose Next or End, the session finishes for all participants. You are then presented with a full list of all the ideas alongside the round they were submitted in and who came up with them. A standard session of 6 people and 6 rounds will produce 108 ideas. You can also then download a CSV file of all the ideas should you wish, making it easy to edit, format, and distribute the results. It is as simple as that. 108 ideas or solutions to a problem in just 30 minutes, all conducted online. We hope you enjoy using our tool, and please get in touch if you have any questions or suggestions as to how it can be improved.